Under Rule 307, Interpretation and Removal of Difficulties, I, the Honorable Speaker, issue the following direction on interpretation of the following clause relating to Rule 37 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business so and so. Rule 37 into bracket 21. It shall not ordinarily ask information on matters of past history. On past history, the information shall be restricted to 5 years only. My English may not be so good, but what I read is restricted to 5 years. Does it use the word last 5 years?
5 years, yeah. There is no.
I can't see that word there. So what I think is, you can ask 5 years as an installment. 5 years. And if this is a question, another 5 years. Understanding what I'm saying? If the intention was last 5 years, the word has to be there very clear. If they are trying to say only 5 years, I will give an example. आता मी example घेतो. आमचं ज्वारी ब्रिज काम आसा. मोपा एअरपोर्ट आता इनॉग्रेशन झाला. ज्वारी कमिशनिंग अजून झालं ना. Work is still in progress. It will be more than 10 years. So why should we not have all the information on that? Right from how the tenders were floated, what the modifications, what's the cause for the delay. We must know. We must know also. As far as Zuari Bridge, the questions I will ask also will be very relevant, not only to its tendering process, but including the work which is being done. So, at that time, if I am not mistaken, our Honorable Speaker himself asked so many questions when he was an MLA and Congress was there at that time. You have to take out that record and see. Now when you sit on the chair, you can't change the rules. This is nothing but, if you first try to take away and finish the opposition, now if you still have opposition, you remove them, this is a way of taking, defang the opposition. So this is what they are trying to do, not to allow us to have private members day now. So why are they scared of private members? Bill atle, resolution atle. So this is the thing which I feel it's an assault on democracy. We will take it up. Our leader of opposition is also there, and Congress party also will vociferously attack the government.
This is a wrong precedent. He said by the speaker.
See, I think in democracy this is never good. In democracy, you must allow freedom of speech, expression, and raising the issue of the people. We are not come here to do our personal work. आम्ही येतात लोकांचे हिशोब काढपाक. We are come to not only for our constituency, we look at the larger picture of Goa. How can you limit it and then say that आमगे 4 दीस लोकांचे उलोवप आहा. 3 दिसांनी कितें जातलें? Speech time नासतलो. Debate time नासतलो. Nothing will happen in this way. Attendance mark करपाचें आनी वचपाचें न्हू. That will be the solution.
तुमचं डिमांड असं की प्रायव्हेट PSC.
So this is a journey. तुम्ही आता काँग्रेस पार्टीमध्ये किती करतले?
See, the leader of opposition will address on that. I have already expressed to the opposition that we have to pick up jointly with the other opposition MLAs. Understanding? It's not just us. This is affecting the entire opposition.
Sir, राज्यात किती कोर्टांनी बसून तुम्ही
No,
तसे
it is a prerogative of the speaker. Courts cannot interfere with the speaker.
PSC
The procedure